Hey everyone! Today we're doing an easy step-by-step tutorial for Rumi's hairstyle. Perfect for beginners and for creating amazing volume and fine hair. So let's get started. Just make a line of small ponytails straight down the center of the head. Now for that signature Rumi look, placement is key. Start the first ponytail high up and continue the line down to just below the crown. You also want to pull out the front section a bit for that soft volume on top. First, you're just going to split that ponytail into two sections. Now pull the next ponytail from underneath right up through that gap. Next, you'll take those two split sections, combine them with the next ponytail down, and tie them off with an elastic. This style is basically a dragon braid, just with a small tweak that makes a big difference in the final look. And now you can just let that section fall over the braid. Okay, this is where the magic happens, and we add that gorgeous volume. Now in a normal dragon braid, you would pancake the outer edges, but for that signature Rumi style, we're gonna gently pull on the inner edges of each section. That's a little detail that really nails the look. And that's the entire pattern. From here on out, you're just gonna repeat these same steps all the way down. First, you split the top ponytail in two. Then pull the ponytail below it up through the middle. Next, you'll combine those split pieces with the one below that and tie it off. And the final touch is to just pancake the edges, especially the inner ones, to build up that volume. So from this point on, since there are no new ponytails to add, you just combine those two split pieces and tie them off. And you're just gonna repeat that simple pattern to the very end. And a quick pro tip, make sure you keep your elastics tight and close to the section right above. That's what keeps the whole braid from coming undone. And there you have it, a beautiful style that makes even fine hair look super full. I love Rumi's golden performance style, so I'm gonna finish the look with some decorative hair accessories. And for those of you wondering, you can find accessories like this pretty much anywhere, either online or in stores. Before you go, stick around for just a few more seconds and I'll show you how easily this whole braid comes out completely tangle free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd be so grateful if you will like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.